This video is on replacing a spy glasses battery. So viewers, this video is brought to you by Toolbox PD, and of course this is a tutorial video. You can learn how to replace a battery of spy glasses camera HD720p. So keep watching this video till end so that you can learn something, and it is very important to those who wants to learn something regarding mini camera, any problems or they want to fixing the issues. So normally these spy glasses main problem we face regarding the battery issues. So let's watch the video till end. This spyglass battery is damaged. We found this battery damaged due to overcharging. Overcharging is a big issue to damage the battery of this type of mini cameras. Now we are going to replace the battery with the good one. This battery is 100% okay, no problem, and is working nicely. We are going to detach the battery from this glass, and we use this battery to that one. Now we will put out the bad or damaged battery from the glass and resolder the battery, the good battery, to the damaged or dead spyglass. Simply put out the dead battery. This battery is totally damaged. We have detached it by solder machine and resoldered the new battery. This battery is okay. Now we are soldering the battery to the dead spyglass. This spyglass is everything is okay, only battery issue, battery problem, and we are going to replace the battery. Almost finished. So then we are going to put the battery in the left side frame and going to cover on the plastic cover. Put the plastic cover on and screw up, and then going to power on the glasses. Yes, it's working. Yes viewers, it is working. Yes.